Okay, welcome back once again. Now we are going to continue. We ended here in our last video. Okay, that is where you bought the package. Okay, now we are going to log into our control panel. So I will just click here. If for some reason you have been logged out, let's say you're on the main page. Let me go back here. Okay, so let's say you are on the main page here. You can just click here, login, and you can enter your email and a password. Okay, so I'll click this checkbox and click login. Okay, so if you have only one package, then you see that package here. But I have 4 packages, so that's why I'm seeing all of them here. So I will click here. That is the free space here. I will just click here, and in here I can decide to click here, log into cPanel. Okay, so this is my dashboard, and I think I love it. Everything is looking amazing. I can see the number of database that I've added is unlimited. Domain is unlimited. Subdomain is unlimited. So this package will allow you to create unlimited domain, and then any package that you want to create. Okay, that's it. Okay, so let's go down here. Now right now I'm going to show you some basic settings that you need to do. Okay, which is very important. Let me drag my picture and put it here. So here we have CWP settings. Click there and go to edit PHP. Click that. Okay, so in here you see that we have this 128. Let's change that. Let's make it 256. Okay, and this one is 12. Let's make it 100 M. You can make this one 200. That's okay. Make this one 60. Okay, and then let's see. Okay, date and time. This is the time. Okay, let's change that. Let's make it Africa. Just enter Africa. Sorry, Africa slash. Okay, then you break Accra ACC. So you see African slash Accra. Select that. Okay, if you're in Ghana. Okay, but if you're not in Ghana, that is you have to go by where you are. Okay, because I'm in Ghana, that's why I've entered Africa to Accra for my time zone. Okay, so everything is good. I can then click here, update, change, and it's successful. Good. Now what else? Let's check the PHP. I can click the logo, go back, and I can go here, PHP selector, right there. Here too, we can decide to change our PHP. Okay, let's look at the default PHP. The default PHP is 8.1, and that is good. 8.1 is okay. That is good for the WHMCS, so we don't need to do anything. Good. You can see the reseller package. You see we have a reseller here. Okay, this is our domains, don't worry, and database, and then you can create an email account. This is the email. You can create email account, forward email, everything that you need to do. And this is reseller. I can click here, go to manage, and I will see my reseller dashboard. For now, I've not added any account. This is my reseller dashboard, and that is the good. Let me go through and let's see. I can look at the reseller. Let's see. I think there's a part where I can change. Okay, this is a reseller. All what you need to know. I think there is a mistake here. This storage here, I don't know. I have to work on how to check it. So everything is good. And I think all the settings that we need to do right now, we have done that. And let me go down here, disk space. Okay, that is our disk space. Okay, so this disk space is this is the disk space that is 100 gigabyte. It's 100 gigabyte. I hope you can see it here. Good. So in fact, everything is cool and everything is perfect. Okay, so what can you do here? If I want to minimize that, I can do that. I can expand that. Okay, I can check my DNS function. Click here, edit DNS. I can select the domain. It's still loading. Select the domain and check all the DNS. Okay, good. That is good. Let's go back. To be honest, I just want you to be familiar with the dashboard, and so far so good. In this tutorial, it's about trying to make you understand or how to navigate through the our cloud host panel. Okay, in our next tutorial, I will show you. First of all, let me first open that is the domain. Okay, so I can just click here. This is the domain name. Here I can click here to visit the site, and this is this is the domain, because we have not installed any application. We have not installed the WCMCS. So this is the landing page. When you first buy the package, this will be your landing page. Okay, for that. After installing the WCMCS, you will not see this anymore. Thank you for watching. In our next video, you go to the dashboard here, then I will show you how to create package. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.